How's everybody doing tonight? Good. Nice. Today we're going to talk about the good old days. I was having an argument with a friend of mine the other day, and he was trying to convince me that the good old days were a lot better than they were today. And we had this argument because he assumed back then everything was better and technology is just changing the way things are. But for me, I argued the only thing good about the good old days was banana cough syrup as a kid. That was pretty much it. Especially, I would get sick on purpose for that stuff. And with COVID and everything like that right now, if you had taken a couple of sips of that, you wouldn't have even needed a vaccine. I remember one time my mom found out I had an addiction problem to it when I asked her after I sprained my ankle that I needed a shot of the banana cough